Up in the morning early. Tune and chorus were old. Robert Burns added 2 verses to it. Lute and shill means loud and doesn't translate to shrill. It's a long, low whistle. So he's describing the blast of wind there. And surely is pronounced sairly in Scots often, and it's working in this one, so I'm doing it that way. Okay. Cauld blaws the wind frae east to west, the drift is driving sairly, sae loud and shills I hear the blast, I'm sure it's winter fairly. Up in the morning's no for me, up in the morning early, when all the hills are covered with snow, I'm sure it is winter fairly. The birds a chittering in the thorn all day, they fare but sparely, and lang's the necht frae to morn, I'm sure it's winter fairly. Up in the morning's no for me, up in the morning early, when all the hills are covered with snow, I'm sure it is winter fairly. Up in the morning's no for me, up in the morning early, when all the hills are covered with snow, I'm sure it is winter fairly.